If your right AirPod isn't charging from the case, it could be due to a connection issue, a problem with the case, or a battery issue in the AirPod itself. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix this problem. Hopefully, one of these fixes will solve your issue for good. Let's dive in. Solution 1, which will be restarting your AirPod. Due to wear and tear, the AirPods may get disfigured and lose the proper structure to get connected to the charger right away. Reinserting the AirPod properly can fix such issues. Take both of the AirPods out of the charging case and put it back in firmly. You should see the status light flash. Try slightly twisting it in the case to ensure connection. After that, check the battery status. Bring the AirPod near your iPhone, preferably right beside it. Now open the case lid. Wait for the AirPod's battery pop up. Check if the left AirPod shows 0% or not detected. If it's charging at this point, then all is fine. But if it's missing or stuck at 0%, then it's definitely not charging. In that case, you can try the other methods. Solution 2. Check your AirPods for damage or dirt. Dirt or pocket lint in the case or on the AirPod contacts can block charging. Bring out both of your AirPods. Then get a soft, dry brush to clean the AirPods. After that, get a cotton bud or a similar thing to clean the charging port inside the AirPods charging case. This is where both of your AirPods receive charge from, so make sure this place is clean. You can also bring your left AirPod and check bottom metal area of it to see if there is any damage there. Your AirPods receive charge from this place, so if it's damaged, you can face problems like this. If there is no visible damage, you can try the next solution. Solution 3. Reset your AirPods. Resetting the AirPods is the most surefire way to solve issues like this. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Then open the lid of the charging case. You'll need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, try to connect the AirPods and see if your problem is fixed or not. At this point, the issue is usually resolved, but if it's still not charging, your AirPod might be damaged. If it's over 2 to 3 years old, the battery could be worn out. Apple offers individual AirPod replacements or battery service. If you're covered under Apple Care Plus, you may qualify for free or discounted repairs. Reach out to Apple or contact Apple support directly for assistance. They'll be able to help you fix the problem. That's all for today. Hope this helps.